construction of road kick off from the grant of Memorandum Settlement MOS. Pabitra Rongpi MAC inaugurate new Naira petrol pump at Chokhihola on Thursday. KAL English Medium High School celebrated the milestone of achieving Silver Jubilee on 8 December. Good news. The date for linking of Aadhar card with job cards has extended till 11th of December. As per the direction of Block Development Officer of Lumbajong Development Block, beneficiaries of MGNREGA job cards are directed to link their Aadhar seeding into MGNREGA database by 11th of December, failing which would be barred from further schemes. The said notice also implies with the members of National Social Assistance Program. Beneficiaries can avail Aadhar card seeding with MGNREGA job cards at the office of Lumbajong Development Block, Manja. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to KAL English Prime Time. According to sources, the construction of road connecting Jilangso and Bordeka Timung village under Arnamlangpi Deopani constituency had initiated from the Grand Memorandum of Settlement. Local residents inform that the road is a lifeline to nearly 20 villages and the construction of the road was the long-standing demand of the villagers. And this time around, their demands turned into a reality. As the road was in a pathetic and deplorable condition, the villagers had to face a lot of consequences. The road is filled with mud during summer and dust during winter. It was informed that the road would be 12 feet wide and 8-inch thick, and the total length of the road that would be constructed is estimated to be 10 kilometers in total from Jilangso to Bordeka Timung village. It was informed that the budget allotted for the project is 11 crores and the subcontractor of the project is Lakhindra Bora from Golaghat under the supervision of Dr. Turiram Ronghang, CM of KAEC. Locals, while speaking to us, said they were happy and excited as the dream of good road finally turned into reality. But they are also concerned as the sand used for the construction was not of the best quality. Therefore, they requested the concerned authority to use the best quality of sand for the construction. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for KAL Live. On 10th of December, new Naira petrol pump was inaugurated at Dokhora Paddy Field, Chokhihola under Nilip constituency. To ease the citizens of Chokhihola in a day-to-day life, good news surfaced for Chokhihola as a new petrol pump was launched on 10th of December at Dokhora Paddy Field, Chokhihola. Earlier, the citizens had to travel far away petrol stations to refill their tanks. But they no longer need to travel far away places anymore as a petrol station was launched right at their doorstep. The citizens were overwhelmed with joy over this happening. Pabitra Rongpi MAC KAEC attended as a guest during the inaugural ceremony of new Naira petrol pump and launched the petrol pump on this occasion. The owner of the newly built petrol pump were Uttam Bora and Govinda Biraj. The customers who went to fill their tanks were given oils with a special concession. The rate that would sold to public in normal days would be 97.18 rupees, and the volume density of the petroleum at Naira petrol pump Chokhihola is 787 kg per meter cube.
Naira company nili bakhan isi BUC nang tidun lo apen so BUC la ke license kilong bangkel la ke Uttam Bora community se license long lo tam nili bahawar bang se so BUC bangli no si pini la bang so BUC ne senpen kang kulong.
Like this petrol pump, its name is like this petrol pump will be run like Bora Brothers, MS Bora Brothers, name of the pump. But we are working as a group, so it will be run as a Ajakongko, MS Ajakongko, under the banner of MS Ajakongko.
Samsonic test report from Koilamati for KAL Live. KAL English Medium High School was established in the year 1994 under the initiative of Karbi Anglo Autonomous Council, and today the school had marked the milestone of achieving 25 years of service since the establishment. Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, attended as the chief guest of the event. Richard Togby, EMKAAC, Madhuram Lekthe, EMKAAC, Ajit Kumar Dey, Deputy Chairman, Principal and teachers attended as the guests of the event. Dorsing Ronghang, MLA, while addressing his speech, said, due to the excellent principal and excellent teaching by the teachers at KAL English Medium High School, many alumni had brought laurels to the school. Richard Togby, EMKAAC, while addressing his speech, expressed his gratitude for having him as a guest of the Silver Jubilee celebration because the students of KAL English Medium High School are talented and smart. A memorandum was also submitted to KAAC on the occasion. The points highlighted at the memorandum includes examination hall, open stage, introduction of science and art streams at the school. The assurance were given for implementation of all the points mentioned at the memorandum would be done very soon in the days to come. News Desk report, KAL English Live. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.